How to fix caption not showing on Netflix. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into your application Netflix. Once you're logged in into your account and once you start to view any of the movies or series but the caption is not showing up, then all you gotta do is you have to make sure that the caption is turned on. Sometimes that feature might be turned off, so make sure to toggle it on. If not, then head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for Netflix. Move into this app. You have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, click on Update and update it. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. But if you're still facing the issue, then move into Settings of a device. Head over to General, and then move into iPhone Storage. Once you're in this page, scroll down and click on See More. Now click on Netflix and tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.